After her 1947 independence a peak comment, now Kangana is at it again. Following Modi government's decision to repeal the 3 farm laws, Kangana Ranaut took to microblogging platform Instagram, saying that Khalistanis have arm twisted the government. She went on to say that our country needs someone like Indira Gandhi because she crushed them like mosquitoes under her slippers at the cost of her own life. Her comments didn't set well with the Akali Dal. Manjinder Singh Sirsa lashed out at Kangana, saying that she should either be in a mental hospital or in jail. Akalis have demanded strict action against Kangana for her hateful remarks.
इस नचड़िया को अपनी जबान पर काबू रखने को कहो। कहीं हमारे लोगों का संयम खो गया तो कौन कहां कुचला जाएगा इसका पता भी नहीं चलेगा। और मैं देश की सरकार को भी कहना चाहता हूं, ऐसे नचिया लोगों को आप सुरक्षा देते हैं, ऐसे घटिया मानसिकता के लोगों को आप साथ में गनमैन देके चलाते हैं। ये जेल में जगह इनकी मेंटल अस्पताल में जगह है, ना कि इनकी समाज पे जगह है। इसको इनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करे सरकार और इसको मेंटल अस्पताल में दाखिल करा के इसका इलाज कराए सरकार।
My colleague Pankaj Upadhyay is now joining me live on this. Pankaj, it clearly seems that Kangana Ranaut wants to court controversy. Now she's gone on to say that farmers are Khalistanis and the government has basically bowed down before Khalistanis and they should be in fact crushed under their feet, the government's feet, like mosquitoes, like Indira Gandhi did.
So follow me, Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut, who's known for creating controversies with the kind of statements she gives, seems to have created yet another controversy because we've already seen the kind of sharp criticism and the reactions that are coming in from all quarters. Now, recently she was conferred the Padma Award as well. And if you remember, just a few days back, she had created stir and a big controversy when she had commented about independence of the country and said that in 1947 it was given in arms. After that, we saw the kind of reactions that had come in from all quarters. In fact, even the Bharatiya Janata Party had said that they would distance themselves from the statement of Kangana Ranaut. And just a few days later, we have yet another controversial statement from this Bollywood actress. This time around, she's calling the farmers the Khalistani terrorists. She gives reference of former Prime Minister of the country, Indira Gandhi, as to how she crushed the Khalistanis as well. And she calls this a jihadi nation as well. This is going to bring in sharp reactions, no doubt about it. But also many people are going to say that here is a Bollywood actress who's held in high repute, who's been conferred the Padma Awards as well. And here she is making such statements. It's going to be interesting to see yet again how the Bharatiya Janata Party is going to react to this, whether they are going to distance themselves yet again from the statements that she is making. But there's no doubt about the fact that the statements that she is making are quoting a lot of controversy. This time round, you had the Prime Minister himself who had told the nation that they did not succeed in telling the people or making a consensus as such, and that they failed. And that was one of the reasons as to why the 3 farm laws were taken back. But the Bollywood actress, with the kind of references that she's made today, with the kind of word vocabulary that she is used today, definitely is going to cause a lot of controversy. And it remains to be seen now how the Bharatiya Janata Party is going to react.
Absolutely. It remains to be seen how the BJP reacts, because this is definitely going to have repercussions and ripples in Punjab, given that she's called the farming community which was protesting at the borders of Delhi Khalistanis and saying that they should be crushed under the government's feet like mosquitoes, like Indira Gandhi did. On the one hand, the Prime Minister has said that this was a section of farmers that they weren't able to explain the farm laws to, and hence in the interest of the farming community, which has been agitating for close to a year now, they complete a year of their protest in a few days from now. He decided, and the central government decided, to repeal the 3 farm laws. And here is a Padma Shri who has gone on to call them Khalistanis, who basically says that the government has bowed down before them and they should rather be crushed like mosquitoes.
Absolutely, Pallavi. And let us also understand, as many political experts are saying that this was a move that was taken by the Bharatiya Janata Party with a clear eye on the UP elections. They are saying not much of a Punjab elections because BJP does not have much of a ground out there. But they maintain that when they are entering into an election year, they would definitely not want to agitate the farming community. But then when a big decision has been taken, and after that, Kangana Ranaut making such a move. It will be very interesting to see as to how the Bharatiya Janata Party is going to defend this statement every now and then. This is not the first time that Kangana Ranaut has made such a controversial statement. Again and again, we've seen that she hits the headlines for all the wrong reasons. And this time around, when Prime Minister himself has made this big statement, Kangana Ranaut making a controversial statement, in fact, bringing in reference of the former Prime Minister as well, perhaps it might get very hard for the Bharatiya Janata Party to defend this statement, or even if they choose to stay away from this entire controversy, distancing themselves from her. The fact remains, even in the state of Maharashtra, the parties like Congress, the NCP and the Shiv Sena are going to go berserk. Because last time also we saw the Shiv Sena had maintained that the Bharatiya Janata Party cannot just shirk the responsibility whenever they feel like. They say Kangana Ranaut has been given an open hand and a free hand, and that is the reason why she has been making such statements, even though she was conferred the Padma Award. She's not realizing the kind of responsibilities that she has on her shoulders.
Absolutely.
So,
making
yes,
those kind of insightful remarks, Kangana Ranaut clearly doesn't seem to back down. The sharp reactions that were witnessed in the case of a previous statement on calling the 1947 independence a peak clearly hasn't deterred her. She continues to court controversy. Pankaj, thank you so much for joining us with your comments on that, your perspective on that. Now, this wasn't the first time Kangana has made it to the headlines for the wrong reasons. Earlier this month, Kangana stirred the hornet's nest after she pitted Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose against Mahatma Gandhi. Here's a detailed report.
She first sparked a massive row over a 1947 Azadi by Bheek remark. And now she has pitted Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose against Mahatma Gandhi, urging people to pick a side between the father of the nation and India's greatest revolutionary. Kangana Ranaut, as defiant as ever, has shared a 1940s newspaper clip on her Instagram, which says Gandhi and others had agreed to hand over Netaji to the British. She even mocked Gandhi's "show your other cheek if you are slapped in one stand," claiming showing the other cheek only results in bheek, or begging for alms. Kangana even went a step further, claiming Gandhi never backed revolutionaries Bhagat Singh or Subhash Chandra Bose, advising Indians to choose their heroes wisely. But Netaji's 78-year-old daughter, Anita Bose Pfaff, speaking exclusively to India Today, admitted her father had a difficult relationship with Gandhi, but said Kangana is naive to see a clash.
It's not a question of one having been the only father of independence, and we are certainly in a situation to say today that the relationship between Mahatma Gandhi and my father was of a difficult nature. There's no point in taking a very naive, one-sided view of historical developments.
Kangana's strident attacks on Azadi and icons has sparked massive reactions.
देखिए, हर आदमी का कहने का तरीका होता है, लेकिन कंगना को भी ये समझना चाहिए कि आज़ादी के लोगों का किसी भी तरह से अगर किसी स्टेटमेंट से आज़ादी के दीवानों का, आज़ादी के उन समय के लोगों का, उनका अगर भाव कम करते हैं आप, तो ये अच्छा नहीं रहेगा।
शिवसेना की भूमिका बहुत स्पष्ट है कि जो बेताल उन्होंने बयानबाजी की है, उसको देखते हुए ये सेडिशन की, राष्ट्रद्रोह की ये केस होती है। उनका पद्म जो पुरस्कार उनको दिया गया है वो सरकार ने वापस लेना चाहिए।
Multiple police complaints have been filed against the National Award-winning actor from Dhanbad to Jaipur for her barbs. But the queen of controversy refuses to call a truce. Bureau Report, India Today.
Now, Kangana Ranaut continues to be defiant over her remark calling India's independence a peak. The actor has in fact posted a series of screenshots on Instagram asking which war for independence was fought in 1947. Kangana declared that she would not only apologize for her remark but return her Padma Shri award if her question was answered. Controversial remarks and counter-jibes. Actor Kangana Ranaut remains in the spotlight over her comment on India's independence, calling it Bheek Mein Mili Azadi. The 34-year-old Bollywood star continues to maintain a defiant stance. An unapologetic Kangana took to Instagram quoting freedom fighters including Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Aurobindo Ghosh and Bipin Chandra Pal, asking which war for independence took place in 1947. She said she knew about the collective fight for freedom in 1857, but nothing about a war in 1947. Kangana declared that she would not only apologize for her remark, but return her Padma Shri award if her question was answered. She even dragged in Mahatma Gandhi and asked, why did Gandhi let Bhagat Singh die? Kangana's political critics came out all guns blazing, but she got support as well.
कितनी निंदा करे उतनी कम होगी इनकी, और आगे चल के और भी कहती है 2014 में देश स्वतंत्र हुआ, इसका मतलब आप समझ जाइए। क्या अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी की सरकार भी उस भीख मांगे हुए स्वतंत्रता पे सरकार बनी?
मैं समझता हूं कंगना के शब्दों में कोई बात हो सकती है, लेकिन शायद भावनाएं ये होंगी कि हमें देश की आज़ादी तो इसको डिनाई नहीं कर सकते। 1947 में मिला और 1947 के बाद लगातार हम रहे, लेकिन जिन्होंने 60-70 वर्षों तक देश में शासन किया वो इस राष्ट्र को आगे नहीं ले जाना पाए।
कंगना रनौत का मानना है कि 1900
Taking to Twitter, Delhi Commission for Women Chief Swati Maliwal lashed out at the Bollywood actor, accusing her of bringing disrepute to India's freedom fighters. She wrote a letter to the president and said that an FIR must be filed for sedition. Bollywood composer Vishal Dadlani, clad in a t-shirt with Bhagat Singh's picture, said on Insta that it is time to remind Kangana that Bhagat Singh gave his life for our freedom, for India's independence at age 23. Kangana, known for controversial stands and outbursts, had earlier claimed that the freedom India got on August 15, 1947 was a bheek or alms, and that real independence was achieved in 2014 when Prime Minister Narendra Modi came to power. Bureau Report, India Today.